The library.
Library. The top floor.
And there's a...
Kinokuniya.
Sorry, I had a lot of Coke. And it's on the fourth. Which floor is
The top floor.
the top floor? Okay, I think I need some soda. And because when I don't drink soda, I start to burp, and
No,
the, I'm burping since morning. I don't know what happened.
did you need soda?
Yeah, I think. Oh my god, it just keeps. Oh, yeah. Wait for it. Long one. Excuse me, guys, do you know which way is the library? The library. Sorry, no, I'm burping. There's one guy told me it's the fourth floor or something like that. I don't know.
I'm not sure.
I drink too much soda. Sorry about that. I'm burping a lot. So, you don't know?
No, we're not sure.
Okay. Oh, it's okay. So, cool. Excuse me. Like this? Hold. Okay, I got something in my.
What are you doing?
My stomach has problem. Have you ever had this feeling like when you drink too much soda and you're like burping all the time? Because I don't really. I just I drank.
Yes, I have that quite a lot.
Yeah, because my friend. Yeah, my friend pushed me to drink like three huge cans of sodas and Coke.
It will go away eventually.
Really?
Because if you drink lots of water, you'll want to go into the toilet and maybe you'll wash it all out. Okay, anyway, goodbye.
All right, you too. Have a good one. There was this one time I was using a selfie stick, and my friend was walking past me, and sorry about that. I had a soda. My friend knocked my food. I don't know what's wrong. I've been burping since morning. I don't know what. I drink a lot of soda. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just filming a YouTube video. Like, there's a camera over there.
I already know it.
You know it? I'm just joking, guys. I'm doing an awkward video. There's a camera over there. So yeah, I'm just going up to people and burping. Yeah. Is it okay if you use your reaction? Okay.